I spent the last couple of days rearranging my shop. I put up with confined space for far too long. I got rid of a whole bunch of junk, a whole bunch of cut-offs, little pieces of stuff you just can't live without but can't do anything with. I'm sure you all know how that is. But anyway, I now have my bench and my lathe in the middle of the room. I can circumnavigate the whole shop without having to move anything. That makes it nice. Lots of floor space for assembly, that sort of thing. Staging stuff. And all of that was achieved by cutting this gallery back. When I first moved in here, I had the gallery all the way out, gracious, out to here. But cutting it back, I gained another 18 square feet of floor space. I still have room up into the bottom for shorts. Yeah, an extra little bench there for whatever. But using the gallery, I can still have access to the lumber loft up here. And I still have quite a few piles of stuff here and there I could probably live without. Just can't seem to throw them away. Anyway, that area up there was full of all sorts of stuff I threw away. Now I can fill it up again. So here I sit now with an empty bench and a little pile of pine, a poplar floor. I think I'll figure out what I can do. Maybe I'll make a box. We'll see. Thanks for looking.